Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we need to use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of 2s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 2 e to the power of 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. E to the power of 2s ds, we change for the u over number 2. So the interpretation of this one, that is about sine u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this technique is similar for this one and this one. This one we change for u, and this one we have 1 over 2 du, and we have negative cosine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now let's go to this one. So tan u, that is about sine u over cosine u. The interpretation of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 Fn of the absolute value of cosine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.